Hi, I'm Jonathan Cohen from Next Law. I need to talk to you about something critical, the difference between fighting a stunt driving charge and actually winning one. At Next Law, where I practice exclusively in stunt driving defense, I see many people confused about what a defense really means and when it applies. This distinction could mean the difference between a successful resolution and a devastating conviction. What's the difference between defense and pretrial resolution? Here's what most people don't understand. A defense and a pretrial resolution are completely different strategies. Pretrial resolution happens before trial. You're negotiating with prosecutors for a reduced charge or lesser penalty. A defense happens at trial. You're challenging the evidence itself in front of a justice of the peace. Why prosecutors don't want to hear your defenses at pretrial. At pretrial meetings, prosecutors review the evidence. If that evidence supports the charge, especially properly calibrated radar showing your exact speed, they have zero interest in hearing your defenses. They're not going to debate the case with you. Their job is evaluating whether their evidence proves the charge. If it does, your only option for resolution is negotiation, not arguing about the evidence. When defenses actually come into play. Defenses only matter at trial. That means you've rejected or moved past all pretrial resolution dates. You're now at a final trial date, win or lose. You're standing before a justice, challenging the prosecutor's evidence directly. There's no negotiation anymore. You're either going to successfully challenge their case or face full conviction with maximum penalties. The risk is very high. Possible defenses, even with proper radar evidence. Can you challenge radar evidence? Yes, but understand, if the radar was properly calibrated and operated, your chances are extremely limited. Possible defenses include improper radar calibration procedures, officer training deficiencies, or radar interference from other vehicles or sources. But here's reality. These defenses rarely succeed when radar evidence comes back correctly. I've seen too many people lose at trial because they believed they could beat solid evidence or simply did not understand what a trial actually entails. The critical reality about defenses. Most successful outcomes at Next Law come from strategic pre-trial resolutions, not from challenging solid evidence at trial. Remember, you're facing a minimum $2,000 fine up to $10,000, a one-year license suspension, possible jail time up to 6 months, and insurance consequences lasting years. At Next Law, I help clients understand when to fight and when to negotiate strategically. Don't gamble your future on unrealistic expectations about beating solid evidence.